Welcome to our tutorial on how to efficiently log out of multiple accounts on X, Twitter, using your PC. If you have numerous Twitter profiles authenticated on your computer and need to sign out of all of them at once, follow these simple steps. Begin by clicking on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu where you can access various account settings. Next, select the Manage Accounts button. This will direct you to a page where you can view and manage all the Twitter profiles currently logged in on your PC. Finally, to log out of all accounts simultaneously, click the Log Out of All Accounts option. By selecting this, you will effectively sign out of every Twitter profile authenticated on your computer, ensuring enhanced security and privacy. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and secure your Twitter accounts on your PC. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tutorials to optimize your online experience.